Season 2, heading north.
First stage of the sailing season. You look pretty comfortable there, Zara.
Bye, Hervey Bay. After 8 weeks, we are leaving. Season 2, heading north. Got the salty things in front of us. We're going to be cruising with these guys for the next few weeks. So yeah, these guys have a Tasman Elite like us. It's a newer version. She's a 35 footer and she's absolutely gorgeous.
I want crackers.
Okay, you drum me bloody crackers, but alright, in you get. Bugger off.
Daddy, don't you?
Randy just left and we already got a fish.
Someone has woken up very early and Josh has followed through and got the rods out. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy.
I was just laying down, imagining nice big Spanish mackerel.
Oh my lord, that's a monster!
First Spanish of the sailing season. Not too bad, 1.1 metres. Just on Sunner, on the way to Lady Musgrave. Could feed us for a little while.
So we're approaching the entrance of Lady Musgrave. Not too bad, not too bad. This is the most nerve-wracking part, going through all the bommies, but if we stick closely to our tracks, fingers crossed everything will be a-okay. Check out this rainbow bot. How bloody gorgeous is this?
I don't know how, but yeah, I had a little wasp laying an egg on my spear gun. So that's interesting, considering we haven't seen any wasps flying around in the boat. trout.
You're right there, Muffin. You look pretty relaxed.
What is this place? This is Lady Musgrave. This is the coolest place on earth. Oh, I know, there's so much to look at.
What is that? Is that? Wonder what lives in there. What do you reckon?
One of those birds that did it.
After all the dramas with the dog clutch, the feathering prop not engaging because the clutch was kind of, you know, not engaging and slipping and all the rest of it, we got a brand new prop in the mail, and then it's faulty, or I don't know what the go is, but the salesman, he's just like, oh, maybe it's just a some harmonics. But listen to this. I don't know if you can hear that. So yeah, he's giving us a refund. I don't know if they were just a batch of dodgy props or whatever, but yeah. Got another prop. We finally made it out to Lady Musgrave. I've got to muck around and wedge stuff in so I can get this prop nut off. So found some logs on the beach. Water's beautiful.
You wanna go diving?
Needed. It's beautiful.
It's cold! It's cold!
So we're having a pretty good Spinaker sail. I was pointing pretty hard to get around that reef, and then the wind kind of changed direction. They were pointing way too hard for the Spinaker. It started flapping uncontrollably, and the pin on the clue actually popped open, so it went flying. So it was a bit hectic, but we got it down in the end with some teamwork. Yeah, just on our way to Masthead Island now. You look pretty comfortable there, Zara. Masthead Island, sailing along the reef edge, trying to pick up a fish, but without any luck at this point. Beautiful little anchorage.
You just found Daddy a $20 lure.
Please like our video. Thank you.